Speaking at the Nevis edition of the National Consultation on Crime and Violence, Senator Isalene Phillip, who has responsibility for the federal Ministries of Social Development and Gender Affairs, Youth Empowerment, Aging and Disabilities, told the audience that the federal government was working towards crime reduction with new and different approaches. Senator Phillip outlined the approaches to an audience that included members of the Nevis Island Assembly, government officials, and members of the public, pointing specifically to two specific categories being pursued in addressing the issues of crime and violence.
The solution to crime is complex. The problem is not new. The ideas and proposals are not novel. But this time around, the federal government, under the leadership of the Honorable Dr. Terence Drew, is committed to trying a change in approach in two significant ways. First, by defining the problem as a public health issue and taking the associated actions to contain, suppress, treat, and prevent the spread of violence and crime throughout society. Second, by taking the lead as the government to establish partnerships that enable all sectors of society to take a stance against violence and to cultivate healthier, happier, more peaceful, caring, and safe communities. The objective of the launched campaign and this 90-day period of intensity is really to help create a shared understanding of the causes of crime and violence at its root, and to help build capacity and encourage community leaders and non-governmental stakeholders to take action to cultivate healthy and safe communities.
The National Consultation on Crime and Violence was implemented by Prime Minister Dr. Terence Drew as part of the strategy to make a substantial change to the rise in gun crimes and other forms of violence. Glenn Bart reporting for SK Newsline.